Good to see you, man.
Take along.
Almost here.
Got my vote.
Okay, and I welcome you once again on this particular channel. Here we educate, we learn, and we advise ourselves. You know, I have one video. I have a video which I want you to watch the video. After watching this video, tell me what you think about this particular video. Tell me what you think about this particular video under the comment section. Barack Obama, what do you think about this? I want you to watch this video. And in case you are new here and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's enjoy this video.
Good to see you, man.
Take along.
Almost here.
Got my vote.
What do you think about this particular video and what comes into your mind? What comes into your mind? Will you say these people, Barack Obama is also a racist? What do you think about this particular video? And the end part, he said that we started from here and now we are here. Subscribe and enjoy the full video.